She has called me fat. This was fat. Does that look fat to you?
Ginormous.
Now let's look at this. Whoosh, you practically are so fat you look pregnant.
With 5 kids, you do.
I don't think so. You cannot just twist my insult and put it against me.
I can.
Yeah. No, you can't.
Nora, don't do that.
Oh, she does. Yeah, Nora, you're just like, whoosh! Like, you.
Just kidding. I'm Nora, the greatest sister of my life. Yesterday, I accidentally threw my pants on the video camera and I fell. Yeah, and my video camera now doesn't work. Mine's silver. I heard that. Hey, when you start talking to me, I'll see what happens.
Oh, what's that? Hey, out of my phone. Get out of my pit. Nora's reaching in my chair.
And this is
Now,
water. She's reaching for Nora. I think they know it's water.
I thought it was fire. I really do.
Oh, gosh. You're like the smartest person in the world. Not. Huh. I don't care ever.
Oh, God.
That's actually.
Oh.
That might probably work.
Shut up. Oh.
Yeah,
But
and
you
this.
can take me, shorty.
And this. And this.
yeah.
And this means. Drink it. Ew. I hit her nose. This is camera stuff.
Shut
You
up.
know what this is camera stuff? Nora.
It's your mom. Okay, bye.